Navigating with Precision, Understanding Compass Calibration. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that is crucial for adventurers, tech enthusiasts, and anyone who relies on navigation tools: compass calibration. This concept might sound technical, but don't worry. We're going to break it down together, making it easy to understand. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what compass calibration is and why it's so important. So, let's get started. Before we talk about calibration, let's first understand what a compass is. A compass is a navigational instrument designed to show directions relative to the Earth's magnetic poles. It has a magnetized pointer, usually a needle, that aligns itself with the Earth's magnetic field, pointing towards the magnetic north. This simple yet profound tool has guided explorers, sailors, and adventurers for centuries. Now, on to calibration. Calibration, in general, means adjusting or setting a device to ensure its accuracy. When we talk about compass calibration, we're referring to the process of fine-tuning the compass to improve its precision in showing directions. This process is crucial because various factors, including nearby magnetic fields, like those from electronics, and the natural changes in the Earth's magnetic field, can cause inaccuracies. Compass calibration is not just about accuracy. It's about safety and reliability. Whether you're hiking in the wilderness, piloting a boat, or using a smartphone compass app, calibration ensures that your compass points to the true magnetic north. This is vital for navigation, ensuring you're heading in the right direction; safety, preventing getting lost in potentially dangerous environments; technology, ensuring apps and devices that rely on compasses function correctly. Calibrating a compass varies depending on the type of compass and its use. For traditional compasses, this might involve manually adjusting the dial or using a calibration tool. For digital compasses, like those in smartphones or GPS devices, calibration often involves moving the device in a specific pattern until the calibration process is complete. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions for the best results. And that's a wrap on compass calibration. We hope this video has shed light on what compass calibration is and why it's such a critical process for anyone using a compass. Remember, navigating our world with precision depends not just on having the right tools but also on ensuring those tools are calibrated correctly. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Stay curious and keep exploring.